Northern Beaches of Sydney, 1974. These 48 blokes went for a swim from Palm Beach to Whale Beach. The first time it had been done, nearly 3 kilometres by water. They all did it. This ocean swim became an annual event. The number of swimmers rapidly doubled, quadrupled up to close to 2,000. It was branded as the Big Swim. Swimmers, male and female, 12 to 80 years, from around Australia, from New York, Hawaii, the UK and Japan have done it. "2024 will be the 50th Big Swim on Sunday, January 28. How many will do this challenging open ocean swim? Will you?